Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce taste better. First, always begin with the best ingredients. Choose fresh, grated Parmesan cheese, not the pre-shredded kind, for superior flavor and melt. Use heavy cream as your base. It provides the essential richness and body. Gently melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. This careful start prevents scorching and builds a smooth foundation for your delicious sauce. To truly elevate your Alfredo, introduce aromatic elements. Sauté 1 to 2 cloves of finely minced garlic in the melted butter for about 30 seconds until fragrant, but do not let it brown. A small pinch of freshly grated nutmeg, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, works wonders to deepen the creamy flavor profile. Finally, season generously with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, tasting as you go to achieve perfect balance. Achieving the perfect texture is crucial for an outstanding Alfredo. Once the cream is added, simmer the sauce gently over low heat, never allowing it to come to a rolling boil, which can cause it to break. Remove the pan from the heat before gradually whisking in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until completely smooth. If the sauce is too thick, a splash of starchy pasta water, about 1/4 cup, will help emulsify and thin it beautifully. For an extra touch, finish your Alfredo with a sprinkle of fresh, finely chopped parsley or chives. This adds a vibrant, herbaceous contrast. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon, can brighten the sauce and cut through its richness, balancing the flavors beautifully. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with these tips. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.